Welcome to Dr. Ratan Talks. Today I'm very happy to talk about leadership at all levels because from last 30 years I'm versatile in training IAS officers, IPS officers, trade union leaders, municipal members, lower level executives, middle level executives, and convert them into managers, into leaders. This is my passion. I'm very happy to start this session. This session is really required at all the levels, whether it is the Sarpanch or village level elected leaders or VRO, MRO, or even the corporates, lower level manager to the CMD. At all the levels, leadership really matters. At the same time, whether it is CM or PM, that means the leadership, whatever the different levels, but at what type of traits are required, whatever the leadership styles, which is the best style? Is there any best style? Or actually, how the leaders emerges? These are the things actually I want to bring with a layer of experience. Now, now you can see the number of leaders here. Here is a number of leaders here, whether it is a Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Vivekananda, and number of other leaders we can see here. Indira Gandhi, Narayan Murthy, or you can see John Kennedy. You can just see our own people, number of leaders. All of them, whatever it is, Vivekananda, Ambedkar, in their own way, they actually influence the people. See, most of them, they are not there, but still we are considering Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose. So what I am trying to say is most of these people, we are actually still remembering today because of whether internationally, nationally, globally, we are having the leaders. The main leaders you can...
Please support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to Dr. Ratan Talks channel.
Our KCR Garu, they're all leaders. So whether it is a state level, whether it is a corporate level, whether it is a international level, and everybody is a leader. Even we can see in the municipality, we have seen Ramagunda municipality and other municipalities when we train the people, and really after training, they really changed and they have been appreciated by international bodies. So generally, whether this, like our education, whether leadership also, whether any training is required. Anyway, every party is giving to them newly elected people, number of training programs are giving. But what I thought is that now let me give this through our Dr. Ratan Talks. I have nearly 30 years of experience, especially because that time our public enterprises, Prabhutva Ranga Samsthalu, actually they're incurring huge losses. Government allocating funds out of 1200, not even 100 were doing, it is break even. Then when Rajiv Gandhi government was there, then we have sent one proposal from Institute of Public Enterprise and they accepted our proposal and were able to convert them into loss making to profit making. So now, whether it is a prime minister level or international other global level like Trump or whatever the current president of US or Russia or Britain or China, or at the state level, our KCR and Jagan, what type of style they're having? See, most of them, they're not born as a leaders. They're born as a leader because of there is situation. Situation, they converted them, they influence the people, they become the leaders. Now, I wanted to bring these sessions, series of sessions, especially how a leader can influence, because leader really matters. Whether the leader, because we have number of states, but we are only talking about only 3-4 chief ministers again and again. And again, we're talking about Modi, we're talking about Jawaharlal Nehru, we're talking about Mahatma Gandhi. Why are you talking about them again and again? Because there is some greatness in their qualities. So now, what type of, how the leader emerges, number one, and how the leader has to, again, first time coming the leader is very, very easy. But whether you want to continue as leader for second time, third time, and what type of quality they possess. So actually what I thought is, whether it is a BJP, whether it is a Jagan party or KCR party or whatever party is there, but we wanted to see that what type of leadership, what are the best styles we can learn, because at all the levels, whether it is Sarpanch, Munirabad, we have seen nearby, and he's also very much, always he wanted to share something. Same thing, Tumkunta municipality chairman. And similarly, we are talking about Tupran municipality chairman. They're all actually come out in a very hard way they have come out, and they're able to influence the people. They've been elected. Because I have high regard for the political leaders, because political leaders, they will give their life. They go into elections, but in the elections again, next time the same party comes or not is a big question mark. Again, when the same party comes also, whether you will get again birth in the ministry or not, a big question mark. Whereas government officers, what happens is, once have been appointed, they're having their associations and whatnot, and you'll continue for 30 years. But leadership is a challenge, because whether they're 5 years in one term or 2 terms, they wanted to make a mark. They want to make a mark. So actually what made them to become leaders, and how really they are able to influence the people, and what type of style they are giving, that is more important. Those lessons we can learn from these great leaders. Now, even if you come to this a political situation, now you can talk about even.
Please support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to Dr. Ratan Talks channel.
Now, even if you come to this a political situation, now you can talk about even corporate level. Now we have our own person, Mukesh Ambani, and his Dhirubhai Ambani, how difficulty he has come with only by selling on the some provisions on the cycle, and he has come out and he has built big empire, and his son has taken over. And we have seen Anil Ambani and Mukesh Ambani, both are got the same property, but one person has become the richest, now 10th richest in the world and first richest in India. And what is the style he is having? And today, all the people, for example, we are talking about number of people already. Dhirubhai Ambani, he has given assets to son, and son has taken further up, whether it is a Reddy Labs, Narayan Murthy, Bill Gates, number of people are there. But you can see Tesla, and here, this Tesla CEO, and he has come from a childhood. At the age of 12 years, he is not even having the money that much, and a lot of problems. His father was also divorced. Mother affection is not there. But he himself wrote one a computer program, and today he is the world richest man with Tesla. And this person, what made him to become rich? Because his parents and all, they are not in the leadership. But what made him to become a richest man in the world today? And compared to our Mukesh Ambani, he is about 4 to 5 times his assets are very, very high. So what type of style he is, and what made him to become success, and by failing number of times, how he has become really again leader, that also good lessons we can learn. And again, we can see most of the companies, global companies like Google, or you can, Satya Nadella, Bill Gates, Microsoft, and other companies, and Amazon, most of our Indians are actually heading those companies. And what type of leadership they possess? That means I am going to talk about Prabhutva Raja Samsthalu, public enterprises, how we are able to change that through leadership training. Again, corporate leaders, actually I have trained number of, including Chandrababu Naidu, including T.L. Krishna Reddy of when he was a mayor, and Rajashekar Reddy government also. We have trained number of leaders at different levels. Now, what made them to be something, I can quote my own. I'm very proud to say that in Singareni Collieries, the strikes, actually it is all-time record. Over 400 strikes in a year. It has gone to Guinness Book record. But we have gone there through Institute of Public Enterprise, Responsibility Campus, and we have turned these training leaders as a working together, and most of them are MLA and leaders, not just corporate leaders at the gate level. So that means this leadership training definitely is going to help. Definitely is going to help. There's no doubt about it. And leadership at all levels. That means as a Patwari, now the Patwari has been replaced by VRO, or it is MRO, or it is a district collector, or it is the cabinet secretary. As far as the government is concerned, again, public enterprises, we used to have state level public enterprises, central level public enterprises. 90% of the companies almost same IAS officers, same government missionary, same ministers were managing. But once we have trained them, and we actually, the public enterprises, Department of Public Enterprise, Government of India, Institute of Public Enterprise, such wonderful institutions, they identified some companies like Maharatnas, Navaratnas, and we have like NTPC, PH, a number of companies we are having in Hyderabad itself today. And they are able to compete with the global companies, either Power or Singareni College also, we are able to change them. 120,000 people. If the company have been privatized at that time, and most of the Telangana will not have this power, and employment crisis might be there. So that means at the right time, right place, if you are training the people, really it matters. So that is the reason I thought of, I have 30 years of experience in public enterprise, training a number of training leaders, political leaders, and corporate leaders. I thought, let us have some series of training program. Not only that, some people might be having some English is a problem. Then I thought of even English followed by Telugu sessions also you are going to have. So I request all the political leaders, all the corporate leaders, all the government officers, please kindly go through our sessions. So what I suggest is that please don't miss any of these sessions, because I put a lot of efforts to see that our village level, our municipality level, our mandal level, our state level, whether the political leader is a government officer, whether the police officer, these sessions will be very, very, very helpful for them individually, as well as they can do service better to the society. So, because I'm traveling different countries recently, I'm seeing what type of training programs, what type of skills they possess, how they're changing their world, changing their society. When somebody else can do, a poorest man, I've seen most successful people, they're not born to richest people. They're born to a farmer. They're born to a agriculture farmer or a teacher or a small worker, but they're in the key positions. It is all self-made. They're not even taken any money from their parents. So I wanted to share such a low-level person, how he has become successful, because I interacted nearly not less than 10,000 different walks of life through my classrooms. I wanted to share my all experience through even I'm proud to say that when Dr. Praveen, actually, who was my research scholar, PhD under me, now he is the judiciary cadre, Government of India, class 1, equivalent to IAS officers, and he is also going to share. And if the power has been given, how we can change because of COVID, because of the land problems, whatever it is. And I wanted to interact with people. I also request police officers, IAS officers, revenue officers, please share your rich experience. Please write to us. Let us share our experience to create a good society, especially Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. I am very fortunate. I am very happy to say that more than 5,000 people are actually now viewing our different sessions. And I also request, please see that this reaches all the levels, whether it is a junior level at the government, politically from Sarpanch level to the top levels. And I also request all of you also please write to us, share a small video, share a small thing, what can be really change the society. Whether I'm not talking about any political parties here. All the people, I have great respect, whatever the party, whatever the government, but definitely you are adding value to the society. So I kindly request as a teacher again, as your teacher, please share your valuable experience so that our society grows, especially our Telangana and Andhra Pradesh has to be number one wherever you are, because I've seen number of NRIs in different countries also contacting me. Also, they're viewing my sessions. So I request all the NRIs also, please. At this stage, I wanted to say that whether you're a police officer, whether an IAS officer, whether a political leader, I request all of you at least adopt your own village. If somebody wants to start some company, somebody wants anything else, with your connections of 20, 25 years, all of you create a small club in the village and see that the retired people, how really they can contribute. Because I gone to China, I gone to different countries, I've seen there, if any problem is there in China, they'll go to trade union office. And there in the trade union office, again, we have seen the retired judges, retired advocates, retired doctors, professors, political leaders, voluntarily they'll come and share. The public, whatever the problem, whether it is a marriage problem, whether it is a divorce problem, whether it is a career problem, whether it is employment problem, anything, health problem, anything is there, then you take care of. I wanted to request all our government officers, all our political leaders, they are living gods. They are living gods. Whenever farmer comes, whenever public comes, whenever student comes, because God has given you very good opportunity for the leaders. You have done something, you might have done something good in your life, and God has given position. So please see that when people comes to you, see that their problem is solved. I gone to US in number of police stations. I gone to number of municipal offices. I will not find any person there. Any problem is there, if you just ring up, the police will come to you. And if any, in extraordinary cases, in extraordinary theft cases or something, criminal cases only, they will call you. Otherwise, the police have high respect there. At the same time, public also will respect the police. They think that the police station is a temple. What are problems, I'll go there and just settle it up. Similarly, I also seen in Pet Bashir Bagh, the inspector there, the ACP there, and really they're doing good service. Totally, they're using technology and they're people friendly. Such police officers, such municipal officers, really they're doing wonderful service. So I wanted to bring real life experiences of different municipalities, municipal level, Gram Panchayat level, and at the state level, how really they can bring the change in the organization. So again, I'm also telling that not only at the chief minister level, prime minister level, leadership means leadership. All the levels, whether you are managing in the village, actually village sarpanch will be more actually having more, he'll be exposed every day with directly all the public. So whether it is lower level, middle level, state level, central level, the leader is leader. So how these leaders can really influence, they really can bring the change, because one leader really makes difference. If the leader is good leader, and definitely we are going to have. And these people may be asking how these leadership sessions will help us. Again and again, I'm telling you, because most of our Telangana and Andhra, most of the people, they wrote me a comment stating that, sir, why don't you bring some Telugu, also some sessions? Definitely first I'm going to cover about 3-4 sessions in English, followed by Telugu also. Because TDM leaders in Singareni colleges, and we have really trained them in Telugu also. I wrote Telugu also for them leadership. So I don't want to quote any of the others' experience, the experience of my own TDM leaders, my own political leaders, my own sarpanches, and really they've done wonderful. Apart from these, from the United States also, I am planning some municipal administration, some leaders there. I am also planning some police officers there, and I'm also planning some school teachers and professors there, and how they are different from them. My main intention is that whatever the knowledge is there, let me share with this, whether it is a mentoring, whether it is a counseling, whether it is a negotiation, whether it is a leadership, whether change management, whatever it is there, how those countries are really doing very well, why not we? What is lacking with us? God has given us more rivers, God has given us wonderful way, Whereas in other countries, there will be minus degrees, there will be lot of rains, lot of depressions, all those things will be there. But unfortunately, our India, we have good rivers, good people, good culture. It is so all the things are there, and different type of religions are there, castes are there, and big democracies in our country. And I'm very fortunate that I am the part of India. I wanted to bring something good to the society. That is the main reason I thought of sharing these leadership sessions, because I conducted a number of training programs from last 30 years. And in a nutshell, I wanted to see that these sessions of maybe about 10 hours of 10 different sessions. So definitely is going to add, whether you are a Sarpanch, whether you are a MRO, whether you are a municipal chairman or municipal commissioner, or whether you are a collector, definitely this will add value. I also again request all the government, political and other leaders, other professors, please write to us and so share your experience, at least 5 to 10 minutes, not more, 5 to 10 minutes. And this will definitely help the society to learn from the experience sharing. Again, I wanted to bring very best practices in leadership, what made the companies to continue as leaders, what made companies actually, some companies are just vanished away. And again, we'll see in Hyderabad itself, government, public enterprises, government has given land, government has given money, government has everything, but why companies closed? At the same time, without anything, leaders, they actually they fought in the elections, and they're serving the society, they're serving the village, they're serving the mandal, and really what type of skills they possess. Is there something different for the CM? There is something for a PM, there is something for a municipal chairman. That comparative studies I wanted to bring, and I wanted to, because I worked in China, I worked in different countries, all those experiences I wanted to bring to your doorstep. My area of this entire session is that global experiences let them at your doorstep, because I come with only one intention, that let knowledge be shared, because knowledge sharing is gaining. So very this, and moreover sessions I'm also bringing with the 8 years, 9 years people. They are going to speak about the richest persons in the world. I selected some housewives, and they're going to teach you from different parts of the world. Really, because I've seen, I was a little professors, they're actually sharing at the age of 9 years, they're able to teach any subject if you given in the MBA itself. Because knowledge is doubling, whereas in government, most of the cases, once you have been selected, you can work for 30 years. But that things are not there, because World Bank also is telling very clearly that you have to update, whether it is a IAS officer or a police officer, whatever the officers, you have to update your knowledge. And there will be tests for them also in future for every 5 years, because knowledge is doubling every 2 years, every 1 year. We cannot work with the old technology. So again, I wanted to request all of you, please accept our invitation, and please like and share our Dr. Ratan Talks. I am also putting a lot of efforts to bring in a Telugu also at least 4, 5, 6 sessions for our Telugu people, especially because most of the leaders, we have seen that they're not qualified much, but they're doing wonderful services than the professors and others. I have high regards for all the political leaders at all level. So please take and share your rich experiences, whether you are from BJP, whether you are from Congress, whether from TRS or Jagan's party, whatever parties are there. I'm not talking about parties, because you are being elected by the public and you have to do the service to the public. And please share your rich experience. What is your childhood, and how the elections really, once you have been defeated, how we really take it up. Once you have been winning the elections, how you take it up. Please write to us or share to us. Either you send an audio or you send a video, definitely is going to add value. So with this, a small message, I wanted to start these sessions on leadership at all levels. Thank you.
Please support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to Dr. Ratan Talks channel.